Today's an exciting day for a lot of reasons, huh, Rafa?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Fred's on his way over to help us complete some wiring. We have to unhook this, by the way. Everything that I plugged in, we got to unhook because it's kind of going through the inside. But so we've got this thing, the chassis, at least pretty much 90% done, or 85%, I would say. We've got everything routed. At some point, oh, that's nice, isn't it? Open the door up. At some point after this thing like runs, which is pretty exciting to say that we're in that stage, then we'll come back and we'll clean all this shit up. We still have to nut and bolt the front end, but we want to hear it run hard off us. So we got most of the chassis harness done on this Highway 22 kit. I know it looks like a jumbled mess, but trust me, it's done correctly and it all makes sense. We got the taillight wiring going to the back, so I'm actually going to go crimp all this stuff together today, and that way the back section of this wiring is done. The other huge thing is we went to Arizona this weekend, and we got some speed engineering headers for this. They fit like a glove, pretty sick. We replaced some broken coils that we had broken when we lifted the engine up. The other thing that we did was we put all new spark plugs in it. We're gonna put some oil in it, some transmission fluid in it today. What the fuck? You ready? This shit sounds like it's knocking.
What?
Your engine?
It's the exhaust leak, bro. Come on.
No, don't lie to yourself, bro.
Get the fuck out of
When
my
did you
truck,
get leather
homo.
seats, though?
What do you mean when? This is a one-of-a-kind build right here.
Yeah.
Well, we can order that. We can make that last one, but I want to hook everything else up. Hey, Fred, but my wiring was pretty good.
No.
Definitely won't catch on fire this time.
If it catches on fire,
It's because
it's
Fred
sad
did
that
it.
it's gonna be hilarious.
It's 'cause Fred did it. What's
It's
up?
sad, but it's gonna be hilarious.
This is my car, you dumb.
It's gonna be 100% his fault though.
Not even, bitch. I did a good job here. I paid attention to all the instructions.
So you finally read?
Yes,
Dude, you know
I
what's the
learned how to
sad
read.
part? Is if
What?
you actually just read it, it's so easy.
Yeah.
It just makes it way easier.
But this is sketchy right here.
What?
Makes me nervous.
It's the easy part, bro. Just give it power. That's why it's red.
Or
Oh. All right.
we have the
Whoop.
mega fuse wired up.
Mega Man.
We're missing 2 bolts for the starter, or else we could be done.
Boom, boom, boom. This one goes to the starter.
One goes to starter, one goes
That's
to the
it, right?
alternator.
There's only 3 wires coming off of this?
Yeah, so now we can go to B, which is the alternator shit. And then we can
kind of-
drill a hole.
we kind of wired some of the alternators.
And then we can drill the hole for the chassis harness. I mean, for the engine harness.
Oh, yeah. You think, can we take off the intake or no?
What do you mean take off the intake?
So we could drill the hole.
Can we drill it from the inside?
You can if you think you're going to get a straight hole from in there.
I have a little drill. It's about the same size as you.
You look like a guy that would have a little drill.
Yeah. You don't think this is gonna fit?
Maybe.
You have your right hand one?
Is this left hand
I
or
do.
right
Right
hand?
90 degrees?
They're both. What do you mean, right hand or left hand?
The drill.
They're both ways.
So why do you say right hand? This hand?
Because
Use on this
I
hand?
have this too. I have a right angle drill.
So that one's for your left hand or your
Yeah,
right hand?
yeah. This is for your right hand. That's for your left hand. And then you get something else to grab the third hand.
All right, let's not fucking around here, bro. Come on, lose the daylight hours. No, I just gotta see, like, I'm trying to think in reverse.
Oh, you're trying to think in reverse?
So that bump.
Just put your brain on. Put it backwards. Yeah.
You want to take a picture of it?
That's not gonna do anything. Oh, I guess you
How we
could.
could take it in the car?
Dude, you're a
No,
gassy
I have
bitch today,
I
huh?
have a picture right now in my head.
Oh, in your head.
Photographic memory.
Yeah, photographic
Yeah.
memory. It goes out, then it hits a little bump, and we're gonna go above the bump. Left.
So when Fred fucks this up,
When Rafa has 2 holes in his firewall, you guys know why. Hey, Will,
what?
you got like a zip tie or something?
Yeah. Where are they, Rough?
They're right there on your ass.
In my ass?
It can be in your ass.
Come on, bro.
All you gotta do is ask
It's a family channel, dude. Come on. These kids watch.
I don't think any kids watch this, bro. I've looked at my demographic. It's all 35-year-old men.
That's very disappointing. I'm just gonna get this out the way temporarily.
Oh, okay. Thank you, bro.
Cut this out.
Yeah.
Well, that
Just broke
could
the
do that
bracket.
too.
Yeah, nice.
What the
You owe him a new Nova.
What's this?
Fucking dirty bitch, dude.
All right, boys. Oh wait, look at the hole. Is it where we wanted?
Oh, come look. I don't think it is.
Oh my God, no way.
Well,
It's right. We have that much room of range now. We just gotta stay within that
Fucked it
hole.
up, dude. He fucked it up. I think it's actually perfect, but no, it's pretty good.
You gotta rock all shitty now, like me.
No.
You gotta record it like this, jackass.
Well, bitch, I got 2 fucking things in my hand.
That's perfect.
Okay, no. We're
A
gonna
little
go
bit
this way.
lower. A
We're
little
gonna go
bit.
this way.
Yeah,
Can't
more
even see the
to
fucking
more to the left.
We're gonna go to the right, but inside we're gonna go to the left.
Yes, to the left.
So we're gonna go to the left and just bring the hole right to the edge of that hole.
Yeah.
All right. Good plan, boys.
I think that's pretty perfect.
Good.
Yeah. Is it doing anything?
2 weeks later.
All right, guys. It's been a while since we did this, but it's the 4th of July cruise. All the cars are out here. Unfortunately, Rafa's Nova didn't make it. None of my cars really made it. I'm just in my OBS. So let's go check the cars out. Let's start critiquing people's rides
Yeah.
in a good way and a bad
Who's
way.
got the worst car here, bro?
Definitely, probably me.
Where is that shit at?
It's over there. It just looks like it looks like a normal car.
Yeah, it's normal. There's a couple OBSs here. They're all cool.
There's a bunch in the corner. But how do you feel that you created?
Pretty hyped, bro. It's
pretty
good
good?
turnout so far, yeah. Let's
What
see
time is it? So we leave in
8:30.
24 minutes?
We got like 20-30 minutes though. Normally we wait a little bit still, but good turnout. We got that back row, this row,
All over there
all in the
too.
back. There's a bunch of trucks over
Did
there.
you see all the that Nova's beautiful.
Yeah, these Novas are clean. This one's fucking sick.
That truck is badass too.
Yeah, dude, those fucking wheels are crazy on that.
Insane.
Fiberglass.
What's going on, Easy?
Can't have metal to it. Yeah,
But-
you're gonna have to have the fiberglass.
I like it because it slows the bed floor. Normally you
It's
don't.
fucking sick. Little Datsun.
I would love one of these. This is sick.
No, it ain't that hard.
I mean, it just takes time. Yeah, exactly.
No, it ain't never that hard.
Hopefully, one day I can get. Well, hopefully me and Rafa can get our Novas this clean. I always love these in green, but this thing is super nice. It's badass. All the other Novas reminds me. Oh, that looks like my hood. That's my hood right there. The one that fell off of Kyle's car. The one Kyle rode on. Yeah, so I guess these are the guys that bought they bought my hood. I can't believe this shit's. I never thought I'd see that hood again. What's going on, man?
How you been?
Good, how are you? Hey, man, sounds badass. This is fucking sick, dude. Came out awesome. I'll go check it out right now. I don't know if it's our fault, but I think we've created a bit of a traffic jam. Alright. Made it to the beach. Made a bit of a traffic jam, but that's okay. painted now. How do you feel about how do you feel about the paint on your car?
Oh, you know, it's whatever, bro.
Yeah.
It's whatever. It's average. This guy that followed me, he's got to show out with the same exact paint color.
Exactly.
fancy.
Nothing fancy. So yeah, so Fred's car is not done, but it's fucking really close to done. Beautiful color. Look how it shimmers in the sun. But turnout was pretty great. Let's go see what we get into. How you doing, Juice? This thing is awesome. I don't know. I'm torn on the SS Hood scooters for mine, but it's fucking sick. This is a great angle. All right, so that's the end of today's video. We worked on Rafa's Nova, got it really close. We're even closer now. We've been working on it all week. We also went to Fred's cruise, which was awesome. Fred, awesome job, sick job. And right now, we're working on something special. So look forward to the video in 2 weeks. This is a great angle. Rafa definitely looks great. Look at him. Absolutely glowing. And we'll see you guys later.